Hello and welcome to Prestige Worldwide. Up for review today, we have the actual toolkit that I carry with me in my motorcycle tank bag. So I've got a little magnetic bag that attaches to my tool or fuel tank on my motorcycle. And these are the contents of the tool portion of that. Most of the tools are in this little case here. It's just a little Civivi knife case. I've got mini Knipex Cobras. I've got a spark plug socket. It is a 3/8 drive. It's a 6-point. It's the size of the spark plugs on my motorcycle. I have a mini, this is a Nico. You find these on Amazon. They're actually a fairly good quality Chinese brand. It is a multi ratchet, so you've got your quarter drive and your bit driver there. And I do have a an adapter to go to 3/8 to take out spark plugs, and I've got an extender here to get down into the spark plug well. So if I needed to, I could take out a spark plug, clean it off, etc. I've got a little 10mm, a little mini 10mm Craftsman. I actually got this one individually on Amazon. I have Prime, and they shipped this to me. It was like $2.37 for this 10mm wrench. And they shipped it, free shipping. I think it came in a bubble mailer. I don't see how Amazon makes money on that kind of stuff. I got it just for this little toolkit. Obviously 10mm is a very common size, kind of just nice to have that separately. And then I have 10mm socket. I have 12mm socket. I have a 14mm and a 17mm. And then I also keep a 15mm. This one's actually a snap-on. It came with an old toolbox that I bought a long time ago, and I really like this one because it's a snap-on. And then I've got a couple of drill bits. Got a slotted. I think this one is a okay. It's a 5 to 6mm slotted, and I've got a Phillips number 2. So that's the contents of this little baggie here. And then I've got other stuff that I carry sort of loose. Oh. So that all fits snugly in this little case. And then I've got little mini screwdriver. Got this one from Northern Tool. It's nice to have occasionally. I've actually broke this thing out a couple times. Like a buddy of mine had a loose, I think it was a license plate or something like that, or loose something or other. And I'm like, dude, I got a screwdriver in my tank bag. He's like, no way. I'm like, yeah, man. And yeah, I was like the hero for a day there. And then I've got a 5mm hex. So a lot of the fasteners on my motorcycle, which is a VTX 1800 Honda, it is 5mm. So to take off the air filter, to take off lots of different things, 5mm hex is a very common size. I should upgrade this. This is a very inexpensive multi-tool that I just keep with me. More of like, you know, survival, zombie attack type stuff, you know, like your bike breaks down in the middle of the woods, and then while that's also happening, you know, zombies come in there, then you can open up cans of beans and stuff like that I don't even have with me when I'm riding. But, you know, just, I don't know. I just got it. I think it came in that same toolbox that this thing came in. Just some old toolbox. And I'm like, yeah, I'll just throw that in the motorcycle tank bag. I should get a Leatherman, though. I should just throw this one in the trash, get a Leatherman in my tank bag. Because if I really need to use it, this thing isn't going to do much good. And then I've got the 180mm Knipex Cobras. These are the 7 1/4 inch. So These are for your heavier duty, you know, in a pinch, on the side of the road, broken down. If I need to get an axle bolt, or if I need to get, I don't know, just something I probably shouldn't be fixing on the side of the road. If I need to do that, boom, I've got the tool for it. All right, well, that concludes the motorcycle tank bag toolkit. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.